Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to add apps to desktop in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple method. So let's go to our video. First, go to the desktop, right click on the desktop. Here we find Personalize, click on the Personalize. In Personalize, find Themes, click on the Themes. In Themes, scroll down and find Desktop Icon Settings, click on the Desktop Icon Settings. Minimize it and click on the icon that you want. I want all these icons. I click on all these icon, click on apply, click on OK, and your traditional icons are appear on your screen. If you want to install software apps shortcut to your desktop, that is also very simple. Click on the start, go to the start. In start, go to your app, by this all apps. Go to your app. I want to create a shortcut of WinRAR. You can create a shortcut of Paintbrush or any other app. Click on that app, right click on it. Here find more. Here we find open file location. Click on open file location. Here we find our app, right click on it. Here we find show more options. Click on the show more options. Here we find send to and click on desktop, create a shortcut. And our shortcut is created on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to add apps to desktop in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.